Vibe culture has been on for the past 10 to 12 years. The founder of the band was the late Chioniso Maraire, the late Adam Chisho and Moses, who is currently based in Namibia. Culture has got 5 members. Initially we were 8, some of us are passed on. So we now have Jacob Mafuleni, who is our lead mbira player, and he's also on the vocals with me. And then there's Martha Tom, who is the dancer, percussionist, and she also sings. And then there's Silas Kamtikaoma, who is on congas. And we also have another mbira player, whose name is Philip, and myself on percussion and the lead vocals. Vibe culture only featured on one of Chioniso's album, which was called Timeless, because we are focusing more on the folk songs. Our main aim is for the youth or the young generation to remember where they came from. On Timeless, we've got songs like Mudzimudzoka, Nema Msasa, which is like 50 years old, and a lot other songs. But if you listen to the album, you can have an idea of what we do. It's mostly cultural music, but we've kind of fused it now to suit the current genres of music that's on the scene. So we are now doing mbira with a rock twist and a bit of some funk in it. Culture members have been all over the world. We've been to Germany, Holland, we've played at a lot of festivals, South Africa, Mauritius, Morocco, and in Zimbabwe we work with the Zimbabwe tourism, and we've been at Haifa, which is our festival, one of the festivals happening in Zimbabwe. To our fans, we say the ones that are supporting us at the moment, we love you so much and we thank you so much for your support.